if you want to save the Word document as a web page, that's very simple. First of all, let's see how it will look as a web page. So if you want to change the view layout, just go to View tab, and from here we can check the web layout. So it will look something like this. And whenever you want to export this as a web page so that it can be added to, let's say, your WordPress website or any other website. So what we can do is just go to File and click on Save As. And from here, just choose the location and just save this one as web page. Now we have the single file web page, the web page, and web page filtered. So it's ideal to use the web page right now. Let's click on Save. And here you can see that when we open this, this is an HTML link. Now we can see that when we open this, now we can see that it is open as an HTML file on a web page. If you want to check the properties, just right click and click on Properties. And here you can see that it is an HTML document. So this is how you can convert a normal document into a web page. So that's how you can convert a normal document into a web page. If you want to disable the keyboard sounds while typing, it's very simple. Whatever mobile you are using, if you want to disable this keyboard sound while typing on the Android phone, it's very simple. Just go to Settings. And from here, click on Sound and Vibration. What the fuck, man? In this video, we are going to see that if you want to disable this keyboard sound on your in this video, we are going to see that if you want to disable this keyboard sound while typing on your Infinix mobile, we can easily do this in just a few steps. So let's get started. So whatever version of Infinix mobile you are using, just go to Settings here and you will see this screen right here. Just go to the bottom and click on System. And from here, click on Languages and Input. And here, just go to On-Screen Keyboard. Now let's go to Gboard.